Okay, so question 6b in solving rational equations. If you notice, they did a lot of the work for us. They said a over x plus 3 plus b over x plus 2 equals this expression. So really what they're saying is they gave us our common denominator already. So I know I'm really multiplying a times x plus 2. I'm multiplying b times x plus 3. When I do that, my result is 2x minus 1. And that's what I'm going to write on my first line. Now, when we distribute, this is kind of like real and complex numbers. We've got a variable term that I want to consider, and we've got a constant term that I want to consider. So a times x is ax, b times x is bx. So a plus b times x equals 2x. And all I'm doing is taking this part of my answer and saying, okay, well, I'm trying to figure out what a and b are, so I'm writing an equation to do that. So a plus b times x is 2x. Now, if we divide both of these by x, then a plus b equals 2. If I wanted to solve this for b, I would just subtract a. So b is really 2 minus a. Now, on the other side, we're looking at the constants. So over here, a times 2 is 2a. b times 3 is 3b. So 2a plus 3b equals negative 1. So once I have this equation, I'm going to take my value for b and substitute it in so that I can solve the equation in terms of a. So instead of writing b, I'm going to write 2a plus 3 times 2 minus a. Next, we're going to distribute. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times negative a is negative 3a. Now, 2a minus 3a is negative a. If I subtract 6 from both sides, I have negative a equals negative 7. Now, in order to get a alone, I have to divide both sides by negative 1. Now, a negative over a negative becomes a positive, so negative 7 divided by negative 1, a equals 7. Now I can go back to this equation, which says a plus b equals 2. But now I know that a is 7. So 7 plus b is 2. Subtract 7 from both sides, and b is negative 5. So even though it looked like they were asking a rational expression equation, this ended up being a system of equations by the time we were done. And so our result is a is 7 and b is negative.